everyone. In this discuss how you can get the ASCII value of in Python. So for that, let's define a function. So let's say a function is get ASCII, and here I will pass the letter, and I will store the ASCII value. So ASCII value I will store in this variable, and I will use this function ord function for getting the ASCII value. And here I will pass the letter, and then I will return this ASCII value. So this is my function, that's it. So now let's call the function, and I want to get the ASCII value of, let's say, ASCII value of, let's say, capital A. So let's run this, and you can see in the output ASCII value of capital A is 65. Now let's try some another value. So let's copy this and paste it, and now I want to get the ASCII value of small a. So you can see the ASCII value of small a. Similarly, you can get the ASCII value of any character. So let's try spacebar. Let's run, and you can see the ASCII value of space is 32. And let's try some another character. ASCII value of star, and you can see the ASCII value of star is 42. So this way you can find the ASCII value of any character. It's very important for the interview point of view, how to get the ASCII value of any character. So it's very simple. I have defined a function, and I am passing a letter to this function, and I am using ord function to get the ASCII value of a particular letter, and then I am returning that value. Very simple. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day.